In case you don't know, let me remind you of something. Are you aware that the new tax law gave the Federal Inland Revenue power, or the Revenue Service power, to seize your property, to forfeit your property, to even lock down your businesses without trial, without reaching to court? Now, they are the police, they are the judge themselves. Are you aware that the new tax reform law have given them that power, that they don't need court for anything, they don't need police for anything? And secondly, if this law is not against the innocent citizen, or per se the poor masses, do you think this law can be applied to the rich? Yes, answer me. Do you think this law can also be applied to the rich? Because even if, as we are talking now, do you think the reps, the senator, and all the political office holder, those that were elected by election, do you think they will pay tax? On what basis will they pay tax? Because they deal with tenure system. They spend only 4 years in power. Do you think rep will pay tax? Do you think senator will pay tax? Do you think state house or assembly will pay tax? Do you also think the governor, the president will pay tax? Ministers will pay tax? Because these people are running on tenure system. They are not civil servants. Even if they are paying tax, how do they deduct this their tax? You don't expect somebody that has been appointed or elected for a period of 4 years, you charge or surcharge taxes from his salary, which is not going to be possible. If you know more than I do, drop it in the comment section by enlightening us whether these people can pay tax. So this thing was a trap that was mainly set for the innocent citizen, the less privileged. It is I and you today that if we didn't pay tax, Inland Revenue will locate your shop and lock it down. It is I and you that if we didn't pay tax today, Inland Revenue will come and seize our belongings. It is I and you that if we didn't pay tax today, Inland Revenue will come and also block or lock down our businesses, because they already know that we're toothless bulldog, that you can't do anything. You don't have the power. Even when you talk, nobody will listen to you. So this tax reform has no any meaningful impact on the innocent citizen that are struggling from hand to mouth condition. If you think that because they said that 800,000, they will be charging 20 to 25% of 800,000, that it does not reach you, ask yourself why the sudden change that they change tax identification number back to name? Because you must need bank account. There's no how you will tell me that in the whole SA season you have not made transaction that amount to 800,000 and above, and no matter how little is your salary, how much is the minimum wage? Minimum wage is 70,000 plus. It has already given you automatically more than 800,000. So you are taxable. Don't think that you are not taxable. So all these things is to collect back what they have given the poor masses. It is only you, the poor masses, that is talking about minimum wage. If not, the big guys, they don't talk about minimum wage. Is it the politician that talk about minimum wage? It is you, the poor masses, and the population of this money lies in the poor masses' hands. Out of the 230 million Nigerians, you will find out that sadly you have 20 million that are wealthy. So the rest 210,000 are just the poor masses, that they made this law on you, the poor. The law is for you. If you feel the law is coming from regime of your own tribe that doesn't concern you, is coming from regime of your own religious person, it doesn't concern you, is coming from regime of your original person, it doesn't concern you. By the time we push this January to June, you will understand what we are analyzing. Federal government, like the National Assembly, have accused them allegedly that what they submitted for them to pass was different from what is actually on their law that they just passed. They gave them different bill, allow them to pass the bill, whereas what is hiding behind was different, and the law has been passed already. Peace and love.